Welcome to Cookin with Hilda. Today, you don't want to miss this because I am going to share with you 3 different salsas using the same ingredients. So if you are a salsa person or enjoy to salsa with chips or something like that, this video is for you, so stay with me. So you guys ready? To make these 3 different salsas, you will need tomatillos, serrano peppers, onions, garlic, cilantro, lime juice, salt, and the star of the show, avocado. Let's start. Number 1, salsa verde cruda. And you will need to set all these ingredients in the blender. So grab your blender and put inside tomatillos, serranos, onion, garlic, cilantro, lime juice, salt, and avocado, of course, and blend it all. And I told you it's gonna be easy and delicious. Just pour it and enjoy it. Now, salsa verde cruda, it's called cruda because it means raw. This is the easiest one of them all because this tomatillo doesn't need to be cooked and it's perfectly fine to eat it like that. It's like tomatoes. So just blend all the ingredients in the blender and voila! You have your salsa verde cruda. Sauce number 2. To make this salsa, you cook the tomatillos, serrano, onion, and garlic until soft, around 5 minutes. Do not overcook it. When you see that your tomatillos are soft, set it inside your blender and add lime juice, salt, and avocado and blend. This tomatillo sauce is very versatile. You can use it on enchiladas or maybe in one tacos ahogados. It's delicious and you can use your imagination to adjust this recipe for your own. Now let's make our next salsa. Number 3, chunky sauce. And as you guessed it, this is a chunky cilantro tomatillo sauce. And to make this, you have to cook your tomatillo, garlic, serrano peppers, and onion until soft. And as I said before, this is just gonna take you around 5 minutes. And pour these ingredients in your blender and add lime juice, salt, but do not add the avocado yet. Now you pour all this delicious mixture on the bowl that you are gonna serve it. And after that, you chop the avocado very carefully and very finely chop cilantro and pour and mix these on top of this salsa. So these 3 salsas, you can adapt them and use it in your favorite recipes like enchiladas, chicken, turkey, or wherever other recipe you like the most. Or you can just enjoy these salsas with chips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this easy video and found value in it and use it for so many recipes. And if you like this video and found value in it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time here, Cooking with Hilda.